darling.
Hi, Agatha. Who are you?
I'm Elena.
Darling, this is Elena.
Elena. Hello, Elena. What are you doing here?
She's staying with us, sweetheart.
Why don't you tell me about these things?
Oh, I do. I tell you everything, darling. Elena, this is my gorgeous brother, Vic. He's very handsome, very clever, and very forgetful.
I'm studying English here. I come from Madrid. Nice to meet you.
Studying English?
Yes, I want to speak a good English and become a tourist guide.
Lovely. Lovely girl.
Where are you studying?
At the Queen's School on Exeter Avenue. You know it?
Do I know it? Agatha, do I know the school?
Of course, darling. Of course he does.
Of course I do. Silly me.
Silly you.
Silly you.
Well, I think that we are going to have a wonderful time with Elena staying here.
Yes, a wonderful time.
Thank you.
How long are you going to be in London?
That's right. Get to know each other, and I'll go start dinner.
Can I help you, Agatha?
No, sweet girl, you stay right where you are.
All right.
When did you arrive?
Today.
And you'll be staying with us until you go back to Spain? When?
I go back to Madrid after my English course, and my language course is 8 weeks.
Love is in the air. La 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 la. Love is in the air.
I'm sorry, my sister is a little eccentric.
Your sister is very nice.
Tell me about your family, Elena.
I have many sisters and brothers.
Are you the oldest?
No, I have 2 brothers and 1 sister who are older.
Older than you?
Yes, and my mother is Carmen and my father is Fernando.
And this is your first time away from Madrid?
Yes, I'm happy to be in London, but also I'm a little sad.
You miss your big family?
Yes, but you are very kind and you are very nice.
Thank you. And what does your father do back in Madrid? What's his job?
He makes this and this.
He makes furniture.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And your mother? Does she work?
My mother works very hard in the house, cooking, washing, cleaning.
Your mother is a housewife.
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 So, how are you getting along?
Just fine, thanks, Agatha.
Very fine, thank you.
Wonderful. Now, come and help me set the table.
Okay.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to your English course. I hope you are ready to study hard today. We have a lot to do. What about our sitcom? Was it difficult to understand? Don't worry, it's always difficult at the beginning. In our story today, Elena meets Agatha's brother, Victor. Victor is very surprised, isn't he? And Agatha is very strange in this episode. I wonder why. Anyway, today we are going to review the personal subject pronouns, the present simple of regular verbs, and then we are going to look at a new topic, the personal object pronouns. Listen, you're good students and I like you. He's Dylan, my husband. He's very good looking and I like him. We are also going to study how to say some countries, nationalities, and languages. Are you ready to start? So, do you remember how to use personal subject pronouns and how to conjugate regular verbs? Of course you do. Let's practice them again and look at countries, nationalities, and languages. I come from Australia, so I am Australian and I speak English. You come from France, so you are French and you speak French. He comes from Italy, so he is Italian and he speaks Italian. We come from Germany, so we are German and we speak German. They come from Japan, so they are Japanese and they speak Japanese. The nationality always stays the same, singular, plural, masculine, and feminine. Do you see? So, what do you think? Is your English improving or please help me? The English language is too difficult. Well, actually, this is very helpful for our lesson today. Have a look at this sentence. Please help me. Me is a personal object pronoun, the object of the verb. So let's look at all the personal object pronouns. We have me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Here are some examples. Anna knows James well. Anna knows him well. Instead of Anna knows Nadia well, we can say Anna knows her well. Instead of saying Anna knows French well, we can say Anna knows it well. Next, we have us. In the sitcom, when Victor says to Elena, "What are you doing here?" Agatha replies, "She's staying with us." Finally, we have them. Anna knows Jack and Alice well. Anna knows them well. Wow, Anna knows a lot of people. Well, that's all for today. Well done. You're great students and you're going to learn a lot. I'll see you next time. Bye.